Alright, baby. Ooh. Almost done with my ceiling. Got a little bit more caulk to go, about 10 feet of caulk to go. I ran out. I didn't want to open another one. Anyway, before, like up there was a big hole opened up into the attic. I'm out of steam, man. I'm out of steam. But it looks good. Put the light in a little while ago. And I'll slap some paint on it. Hang these wires back up. And this is all just primer. Oh man, I'm out of steam. I gotta clean up my mess out there. Get the hell out of here. This place is cool, man. Really cool. Anyway, this is the room I've been working on. Where's all them kitty cats? There's Pugsley. And this gets hung up. Took some of the tile and she glued pieces in there to match the floor put in. And I got to grout it today. After I did the ceiling, put this ceiling in, it was old drywall dropping out, falling out, put the light in, did up these boards, they were a mess. So today, grout, get this done, put my threshold in. That sun hangs here on this wall. Built this box, just cover up this old electrical in there. And looking good, baby, looking good. And put my trim up and a little touch up, and I'm done. But it came out real sweet. Put the window in, brand new window. Looks good. And get to work. Yeah, I like my ceiling, baby. Hee hee hee. Yeah, baby. Miss Evinrude, 55. She been molested, tested, rested. So the guy who bought the 40 came back and bought the tilt and trim unit that fits on these motors. Cause I thought he should have it. Gave him a deal. And get this thing back together, you know, with the original equipment. And what else? Find out what happened. What happened to the 55, man? This thing was, you know, click of the key would start right up. Idled so sweet here on the porch, if you want to call it a porch. And, you know, started out with a little hesitation at throttle up. And got that out, and then it would come back, and then you know, fooling around. And over like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, it just, you know, could not get this thing to idle. But run, this thing runs like a champ. 34 mile an hour on my boat. Fast, quick pickup. I mean, just, in my opinion, very nice outboard. Big old ugly prop, but a nice outboard. I don't care what anybody says. Then I find that hairline crack over here. Ouch. Oh, that was my knee. Right there. Hairline cracky. And I'm gonna get some like paint remover and remove that whole section of paint, because I don't want to start sanding and all that crap, because it might screw up. You won't be able to see the crack. And we gonna find out what's going on with Miss Evinrude. But first, let's go fishing. The wind's been howling for days. Plus that room I did took up so much of my spare time. I hardly had, I couldn't get out here, couldn't get nothing done boat-wise. Just do a little trolling. This cold front came through a few days ago. It's been real nice sleeping weather. And I don't know what effect it's going to have on the fishing. May be good, may not. But it's just good to get out here on the boat. Woo, woo, woo. Oh baby, I got something big on here, and this reel screwing up. Oh yeah, he's jumping out there. Woo, woo, woo. Come on, fishy. Whoa, boy, there he goes. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Woo, woo, woo. Come on. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no. This drag isn't working. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Come on. The reel doesn't lock either. I just grabbed it, man. I was afraid I was going to get hooks in my fingers and hands, but so far I'm lucky. Man, this baby, on this little rod, unbelievable. Drag not working, the reel spinning backwards as he's pulling. Oh, yeah. God dang. Oh. Oh, he's peeing all over my shoe. He's peeing more than I pee. He is heavy. And he's still peeing. Man, that's beautiful. Look at that guy. Look at his belly. It's full. And he still went for more. Unreal. Man, he's heavy. He's got to be at least 7 pounds. How much you get?
4 pounds.
Cool, man.
4 like that. Wow. I got you 1 right here.
Nice fish.
You hold the line on?
Nah. Cool, man. I'm gonna let him go.
You are?
Yeah.
What? He's nice.
Yeah, I caught him on that little rod, man. That thing bent over like a snag of weeds. Yeah, these came out nice, man. Thanks. Yeah, that rod went like a typical snag on grass. Just bent over. Alright, baby. It's This Old Outboard, the 1979 55 horse Evinrude. And what happened to Miss Evinrude? If you watched all the videos, this puppy, click a key, boom, start up, idle beautiful out here, got it on the boat, a little bit of a hesitation at takeoff, and I'd get rid of that and it'd come back, and the idle thing just slowly went downhill over a few weeks' time. Then I discovered this crack, this hairline crack. Is that really, I don't know, is it really doing something? I mean, I don't know. Then when I had the carbs off and the intake off, and I could put my hand right in there and it'd come out just as clean as could be. And I'm like, what the hell is going on with this thing? It should be all greasy and lathered up in there. So I've got a couple of things going on up here with this thing. And the plan was try and figure out what the heck happened, what's going on, why is it doing what it's doing, how did it get that way? There has to be a reason why. All the issues with scored pistons and worn skirts and egg-shaped pistons, I don't know if you heard that one before. You know, they all say, you know, it's going to be an idling issue, but you'll still have great compression. This thing has 170 psi compression, which is just crazy. I don't think I've ever had an outboard that had that high of an even compression. So, there's one other idea I have cooking, but I'd still like to look and see if you know, any of that stuff was true. Let's see, are the pistons scored? Are the skirts worn? You know, what is going on? What, you know, is that crack causing a problem? Is water getting in somewhere? Right now, I'm gonna pull this power head out of here. Like I said, I got a couple other ideas rolling around. Don't know for sure yet. But I mean, it's no good sitting here doing nothing. It runs great, just don't want to idle right. I'm gonna get started on it right now. That damn fish I caught a little while ago wore me out. That was a nice fish. It just got the wind kicked up and nothing else hit. You know, I went around a little bit more and couldn't get any more hits. But yeah, it's nice when you catch a nice one. So it's 2 o'clock. Let's see how far I can get on this thing. Well, there's the first one. Damn. Want to do a lightning rod? Question quick. She filling up. Some of these I'm gonna bag and tag. That just them other bolts. I got a pornographic memory. I know where they go. It's 2:34. 31 minutes. Oh, don't tell me I gotta do that. Come on, baby. Everything's pretty much off. These are going to be the pain in the ass ones. I don't even like looking at them. Ooh. No way. No way. What time is it? 2:45. Come on. Oh. Yeah, bless America. All right, timeout. 2:52. Let me see if I can get some kind of breaker bar.
Thanks again for tuning in to this week's episode of This Old Outboard. You know the channel. Oh yeah, baby.